Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually see your Shanks border in Minecraft. First of all, please open your Minecraft and just make sure that you have any version that helps you with these borders. And then click on single player and open your world. And for the sake of this tutorial, I think I'm gonna just show you here and then go ahead and open a new world in survival, which is a normal world, to show you how borders looks like. So first of all, how you can see borders, which is pretty simple. You just click on F3 and then click on F3G, that's like so, and just like that you will be able to see Shanks borders like that. You can go up ahead and every single line from here, it means that every single line, yellow line, means this is the border of your land or your chunk. Basically the chunk is, I think, about 16 block, which, wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So yeah, it is 16 60. So yeah, that's a chunks border. Exactly what can you do with these chunks borders? It helps you a lot by doing spawners or farms for specific mobs. For example, let's say that you wanted to make a slime chunk, a slime farm, but you actually can't do any slime farm without having slime chunks, like this chunk where actually slime spawn in. So what you could do is just click on F3G at the same time, not like that, not like I did before. Like, you have to click F3 and G at the same time. You can't really click F3 like that and then G. It has to be together. So after you do so, you will be able to see chunks, borders, and create whatever farms you'd like to do. So that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.